Hello everybody, welcome to the school. Today we are going to make earrings. These spiral earrings. For this we'll need tweezers, earring loops, and the hangings, a safety pin, Fevicol, any number of shades for the color combination. Here I'm taking 3, you can take 1, 2 or 4. Scissors. So let's start. We'll take one strip. We need 4 strips. So I'm going to take one strip of each color. And one more strip of any color. And now we have to attach them. Take any one strip. Apply Fevicol. Join the other like a V, perpendicular to the other, and then press. Now take the other color and apply Fevicol. Make a shape like this and press. And then the same color. Make a plus sign out of it, like this. Now we have to make the earring. For this, first take the first strip, put it on the other, overlap the second one on the first one, and then the third one on the second one, and then the last one you have to take it through the first one. You will get a shape like this. Then pull it gently. Don't apply too much pressure or the strips may tear. And then press it. You will get something like this. You have to repeat it. Take the first strip, overlap the second one, then the third, and then the last string from the first one, and then pull. Use 2 fingers to pull at the same time. This way they'll all be even. I'm showing it to you again. First strip on the second one over the first strip, third strip over the second strip, and the last one from the first one. Then pull. You should use a thicker strips for these so that they don't break. Just continue this process and and your earring will form. Now you can see that I have completed one strip. You can see the earring is getting ready. We want to make a whole curve, so we'll need to add one more strip of the same color. So take strips of the same color and then apply Fevicol and stick them. All four. After this, you have to continue the same thing as we did in the beginning, overlapping and all. After the joint, just the same thing that we have been doing, overlapping. Putting it inside the first one. You have to be careful with the joints so that they don't become too loose or come out. The same way, continue till the end. As you can see, I have reached the end of the second strip as well. So now you will be able to make a entire spiral just like this. For this, first we are going to cut the extra ends. Now apply lots of Fevicol. And stick it. You will need a tweezers here so that it sticks properly. Insert it carefully and press it in so that it sticks very nicely. From all the sides, press it. As you can see, the spiral has been formed really nicely, just like the other. It takes a little while to dry. After this, all you have to do is take a safety pin, poke it at any side of the spiral and insert this hook and ring, just like I've done it here in this. You can use this paper shiner to strengthen it. It makes the paper stiff and you can wear it anywhere you want. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel, like the video, and do let us know in the comment section below what more do you want to watch.